Oh my goodness. Somebody had fun with this one.
Look at that.
Somebody had some fun with this one. And so now you actually get to see me replace a outside corner. So one thing that drives me nuts, underneath here, they put a screw in the base. You never put a screw in the bottom of a gutter. Never. It's always gonna leak. So water from that far corner over there, for about midway point of this, because there's an outlet over there, from midway part over here, all this water is running right here into this let. The gutters are very, very easy to work with, as long as you take care of them. Like this, whoever installed this did not install it correctly because they barely put any sealant underneath of it, which you're supposed to put sealant underneath, which I'll show you how once I get this all squared away right here. So I always do a test fit to roughly see where my geosill is going to sit at. So that's a good fit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop my ends off again, see how far is overlap, not overlap. This one here should have been extended another inch or so. You want usually between 3 to 4 inches going into the miters. This is only 1.5 inches, give or take. And here goes the fun part. So I have a little bit left in here. So what I'm gonna do, I go about 1.5 inches in of it. Alrighty. So here goes the fun part, is putting this in. So you understand, we put the geosill in there now. So that's gonna act as a water barrier for us to get this up there. Now the most important part. And always hit the old fittings, always hit the screws. And that's basically how you replace a fitting.